Hi friends, welcome to Markets Guruji. Today we will be discussing about the IPO of Cochin Shipyard. As you all know, the promoter of this company is Government of India and President of India holds around 99.99% stake in the company. This company is a mini Ratna company and it was incorporated in the year 1972 and it is India's largest public sector shipyard company and it is based in the city of Kochi, Kerala. And since incorporation, this company has secured and successfully delivered more than 45 ships to internationally renowned companies from Europe and Middle East. This company not only builds and repairs ships but also builds various types of vessels including oil tankers, bulk carriers, dredgers, platform supply vessels, passenger vessels and anchor handling tugs. See, now coming to the objective of the issue, the IPO consists of fresh issue as well as offer for sale. In the offer for sale, the Government of India is divesting around 24% stake, and in the fresh issue is for general corporate purpose expenses and setting up a dry dock in the existing facility, and also they are setting international ship repair facility at the Cochin Port Trust area. And when this international ship repair facility will be completed, they will be receiving international ships from many Middle Eastern countries for repairing purpose and also to gain the benefits of listing equity shares in the stock exchange. See, coming to the positives of this company is a market leader in the ship repair business and it has around 39-40% market share in this particular business, and it has a very strong order book with strong customer base. As you all know, the Government of India, the defense, the navy, they are their main customers and most of their customers are repeat clients. And if you see the financial performance, I will tell you about that one after that, but the financial performance is very good and it is a consistent dividend payer. And coming to the expansion project, see, as I mentioned you all that they are building an international ship repair facility at Cochin Port Trust area, so there is a major expansion project going on in this particular sector, and also they are building a dry dock at the cost of 1,800 crore, which will enable them to expand their capacity to build large CNG, large LNG and naval vessels and such as aircraft carriers. And the achievement, if you coming to the achievements of this company, this is only ship repairing company which has undertaken the aircraft carrier repair work for INS Virat and INS Vikramaditya, because these two ships are very huge and there is no other shipyard which can do the repair for this two aircrafts. See, coming to the market share in the ship repair business, as you all can see in this chart, Cochin Shipyard has around 39% market share, and at the second number comes Goa Shipyard. See, you can see the whole list. And coming to the overview of Indian shipbuilding industry, you see the Indian shipbuilding industry is divided into two parts. That is, one part is government sector and the second part is private sector. In the government sector also there are some companies which are owned by Government of India and some are owned by state government. And this particular Cochin Shipyard company, this company comes under the Ministry of Shipping. And there is also another company called Mazgaon Dock which comes under the Ministry of Defense. You can see the whole list. The private sector, the listed players are Pipavav Shipyard, Bharti Shipyard, ABG Shipyard, and unlisted, in the unlisted group there is a company called L&T Shipyard, and all you can see the whole companies which are involved in this particular business. See, coming to the top shareholders of this company, as I already told you, the President of India, that is through the Government of India, holds 99.99% stake in the company. Rest all are negligible. And see the revenue streams. The company derives around 65% of this revenue from shipbuilding through defense sector and around 20.6% from the commercial clients. And coming to the ship repair business, they get around 7.46% of the revenue from this from ship repairing for the defense companies, and from commercial clients they get around 6.7%. And see the income from shipbuilding in around in FY16 they got a revenue of around 1,624 crore from shipbuilding business, and from ship repair they got around 367 crore. And coming to the financials of this company, see in FY12 the revenue was around 1,473 crore and the net profit was around 155 crore. And see the gradual increase in the revenue as well as the net profit. And coming to the FY16, the revenue was around 2,100 crore and net profit was around 285 crore. And in the 6 months FY17, you can see the revenue was 1,027 crore and net profit was around 184 crore. See the huge growth in the revenue, net profit. And coming to the EPS part, I would like to tell you that their weighted average is around 18.88, and in FY16 the average the EPS was 25.23. And coming to the IPO, when this IPO will be listed, maybe within a month. The IPO is coming soon, and after that I will put all the details in my description box, the dates and all, the price band and all. See, whatever details I have right now, I would like to share with you. The face value will be 10 rupees per share, and the total shares offered are from this one OFC, that is, and fresh issue. And in fresh, and the shares offered in the IPO are around 3.39 crore, and in fresh issue there is 2.26 crore shares, and in offer for sale there will be 1.13 crore, and there is employee quota also, in which there is around 80 lakh shares, and the total equity shares prior to the offer is around 11.28 crore, and the equity shares after the offer is around 13.59 crore. And if you see the issue size will be around 1350 crore. It is an approx figure, and Government of India is seeking a valuation of around 5400 crore for this particular company, and the listing will be done at BSE and NSE. I hope you all like this video. Thank you, friends.